नमस्कार, आप सभी लोग का स्वागत है स्मार्ट क्लासेस विद मुकेश सर पे। जैसे कि आज हम लोग ग्रुप डिस्कशन के बारे में आज बात करने वाले हैं। जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं, दिस इज ग्रुप ए साइड एंड दिस इज ग्रुप बी साइड। तो आज स्पेशली हम बात करेंगे कुछ टॉपिक को लेकर के। टॉपिक ये है कि देश के बारे में हम बात करेंगे कि हम लोग का देश मतलब कितना बेटर है। तो दिस ग्रुप ए साइड, व्हाट इज द टॉपिक? इंडिया। ओके, दैट्स गुड। व्हाट इज योर टॉपिक? ओके, दैट्स गुड। तो यहाँ टॉपिक है अलग अलग देशों को लेकर के, तो इस पे आप लोग बिल्कुल ध्यान देंगे किस तरीके से बात किया जा रहा है। So let's start. So now group A side, I want to know you all one by one. So what is your opinion, group A side? What is your opinion about your topic?
My topic is India. The Indian country is India. India is very beautiful country and called states of 15 August 1945. And India is a famous country all over the world. The national language of India in Hindi. India is world's 7th largest country.
Oh, that's good, very good. So what's about group A side? Group B side, actually, group B side.
According to my plan, my topic is America. America is the best in the matter of discipline. America is very nice country. In American man, his language is very good. American language is English, so I like English language. In American facility, many facility, just like that. Big flat, big mall, and big companies, etc.
According to my opinion, but American people speaking only speak English, but India people many type language. Many type language like Hindi and English and Bengali and Gujarati. But American people will only English speak.
Yeah, absolutely. Means they are doing their best. Means in India there are many kinds of language you can see, and if you talk about America has only one language. They are talking in only English, and okay, they are talking in English. They are very comfortable in their country. But whenever you have to go in some other country for tourist, so what you will do? You will speak only English. So how you will understand? Means some of the person, means Indians are speaking many languages, so we can survive with them. But what's about others who don't know how to speak English? So how to survive them? Means what's about your opinion?
My political opinion is the American people came to the India and he or that person or learning Hindi. So this is just you can see.
Okay, and you can see in America
People come to the India.
came to the India for tourists, and India peoples are unable to get the point. They are speaking very continuity English. In Indians are very able to get the point, but some of the just like who is coming from far places, just like they are very weak in the matter of speaking English. So how to manage? They are unable to face their language. So in India there are many things. If you talk about India, so in India there are many points. Just like in India there are good culture and good behavior and discipline, and there are many colleges and everyone good, and there are very culture thing very different way. But in hardly you will see in America there is no any culture program or or culture things. They are doing only means in one topic. They are only dependent on one topic. But if you talk about India, in India is the great. I love my India and I try to be an Indian. Okay, so actually, I want to say here, we are Indian, so really we are feeling very proud. Actually, you are Indian, but they have to come here. They have to come this side. You are Indian, but you have to talk about your topic. Okay, what's about your point?
According to me, all Americans like to India. He is always say India is the best country. So India is the best, always best. This statement.
Actually, sir, now I want to
This
ask
is
again.
some change. This side, this side. Historical tourist. Historical tourist.
According to my opinion, many Indian people like to go to America. Why so? America is a nice and beautiful city. Wonderful country. America is a United States.
What do you like this? See, if you will take out a list in 2020 or in 2019 or as well as in 2021.
But as far as I know, America people also come India.
Yeah, and
This type very historical place in India. Yeah, like that Taj Mahal and Qutub Minar, whatever.
yeah. And if you will take out about previous list, in the matter of tourists, America always in the habit of coming in the India, but Indian people are not in the habit of going to the America. If you take out the list, there are only you can able to see that Indians are not in the habit of going to the America country, but mostly Americans, tourists are coming always. If you talk about India now time, always they are coming and they are staying. They are staying in rent house, in just like Sarnath, in Banaras, and as well as in Delhi. You will hardly see that America is not present in here. Means all the ways, each and every time.
Now I want to tell something, sir. Actually, Indian people have no more money for anywhere living and eating for no more money. And besides this, Americans people is very a lot of money to for visiting anywhere. So here is coming Sarnath and many other tourist palace. So
Okay, you mean to say India people have no money,
Yeah.
they are not going to America.
according to me,
Okay.
Indians people is very
yeah,
very poor.
Absolutely, I want to say here something. Have you heard that this line? India is the one kind of Sony ka chiriya.
Yeah, that time it
Why called? Why called?
Actually, that time to call so golden birds, but at this time is very bad. Our government is very destroyed in India. At this time, no golden birds.
According to my opinion, that it doesn't matter about money. It's matter about wonderful places, wonderful what you say atmosphere. In India, there are many good atmosphere. You can see in America there are very what to say not populous. I mean, atmosphere is not good. Why America is coming here and they are staying, they are spending money and living here 1 year, 2 years, 3 years in America. You can see they are taking a rent house and they are staying here. I think matter is this and that they are came here to in good atmosphere. But if you talk about America, in America there is no good atmosphere. There is very pollution, not good pollution. But here you can easily get good pollution, just like you can see nowadays. Our Prime Minister of India, our governor had provided us. We should we should plant 200 plants. And nowadays, why there are many? They have schemed. Many schemes are available in India. Just you can say you can see there are many provides in India. There are many facility. So if you if you want to give your opinion about your America country, so you can check your list, and just you can check a previous list, just like 2020, 2019. Many American are coming here for living here, and as well as American like Indian people. We also like, but we are talking about our country. Our country is best, so we live in our country, and that's it. This is the thing.
I want to say something.
Okay.
Now see, speak. India have many languages. Why Indian people learn English language? English language is American language. Why?
Why? Because English is an international language, and our national language is Hindi, and we respect our Hindi language, and as well as international language. So I want to learn international language. If I will learn international language, so I can go, I can visit all over the country. So I can learn. So you mean to say it's your international language, means there is the situation, there is the rules. International is, that is the in contrast. What to say? There is the written, means in international we should learn this international language. Because international language is very essential nowadays. If you have no idea about international language, so you can't go anywhere. Means you can't survive any country. What's about now? Why don't let me speak? You continue your sentence.
According to me, the people of my country is very hard work. India is a agricultural country.
Yeah.
I love my country very much, and I am extremely proud of country India.
Now I want to tell something. Actually, according to you, India is an agricultural country, but America is very donor country. Many dollar is to done by our India. Do you know about trust of funding, and many dollars are to donate? I know, we know our India is very agricultural and supported any types of work, but money is important at this time too long before this time. So America is many dollar to donate by
But
India.
Indian people is very honest people.
No, it is not minor. At this time, it's very dishonest person.
But America very proud of money. Don't proud of money.
Proud of hard work.
Hard work. Yeah.
Proud of work is work.
So all people is belonging to poor. Main reason is India is no Allah but destroyed to any types of advantage.
What is your name?
Sasikant.
Sasikant. Okay, Sasikant, do you want to speak something? What's about your opinion?
My opinion is that India is not a good country
Okay.
at this time.
Okay. How?
Because
Yeah, you are trying your best. You are speaking good. Okay.
current time India is a India's system, all system is command on our prime minister and our home minister, and he are not good. They are not good.
Yeah, you are absolutely right. You mean to say every command on government